Hello again. Right, Monday morning, and a bit of a long wait for the trade today. So the point of this video really is the importance of patience and discipline, and then a little bit about why I chose to take the short trade today. So we can clearly see that we are in a downtrend. And I certainly do not want to be. There is no way I want to be trading anywhere about this morning again into all of this support here that is potentially or has potentially, or in fact has acted as resistance, but it was only potential resistance this morning until obviously we made the new lower low here, and busted through this support and what was yesterday's low. So just had to wait. That's all there was to it. There was nothing at my 6 a.m. alarm call, except the possibility of entering a trade to the long side as a result of this indicator. But as you can clearly say, or in alert should I say, but as you can clearly see, it was the wrong trade to even consider, which is why I had to wait. So when we did get the alert and the reversal to the downside, which was on that candle there, it was the close of the, rather it closed through the daily low, so that was a good enough reason to enter the trade as well. And but not a reason on its own, of course. I use the alerts and I stick to the method meticulously almost all of the time, but on a morning like this morning, rather than wait for a pullback and alert to the long side, which I would normally suggest you do, because it's late on in the morning, this is clearly the move of the day, so it was a question of getting down to the lower time frames and waiting to see what would happen there. So I actually used the 1 minute for this entry here today with a little bit of a caveat, as it were, which was because 1 minutes are such erratic alerts, as it were. You know, you're going to get a lot of them, like has happened over here as they're accumulating. Excuse me, more sell orders, push it up, put a sell order on, that sends the price down again, whack it up again, put a sell order on, and just keep loading up with sell orders. That's the way I like to believe the market is working. And then finally there's no buying power left in the market, and the price just then collapses, as you can see what's happened here. And so my entry, what I did, I allowed for an extra candle just to break this through this support here with the close as well, which was this candle here. So as you can see, it's sort of precise price action analysis and thought processes going on, just to be doubly sure. And then in fact I thought what would happen then would smash this 146 level, and which was why I put my my target below it, because I felt it would go a lot harder than it did in fact. But not to worry, it was a net 19 pips out of this trade, which I'm very happy with. So that's the morning's work really, just watching the charts and sitting on my hands until the exact setup I wanted to see happened, and as you can see it did. And shortly after my take profit, then it powered down another 25 to 30 pips by the look of it. So just a sort of lesson in patience and discipline. Always stick to the plan, the trade plan that is, you know, alert, drop down the time frame, wait for the pullback, wait for the new alert, and take the trade, which is what I did. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Apologies for that.